Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete and remove your credit or debit card from your Xbox One account so you don't get charged anymore in the future. So we can go up to the top and select Settings right here, and then go down to Account and go to the right and go to Payment and Billing. Then type in your password if you have one. Then we can go to Order History or Payment Methods. Right here are payment options. So Order History will allow us to see everything we've ever purchased on our Xbox account. Then we can go to Payment Options right here, and we can see our credit card that we currently have on file. Now we can select this and we can change the information around on here. We can enter in the card number, or the expiration, CVV code, our name. So go ahead and just select that if you want to go ahead and change the information if it's not working or something. But we have the option right under it, right here. We can go to the trash can and we can delete this from our account. So let's go to Confirm. Now, this card will not be able to be used for purchases on our Xbox. Now, if you are having problems with payment and billing, where you have recurring payment on, you may want to go to Account and then go to Subscriptions. Type in your PIN once again. But you want to make sure you have recurring payment and you have an expiration date and you have canceled Xbox Live, etc. if you want to go and do that. So come to the subscriptions page, and then we can select this, and then we can go to turn off recurring billing, and we can cancel the subscription. And your credit card will not be charged now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.